Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria. In today's video I just want to do some backdrop, give some bokeh effect. So for this I have taken 200 GSM watercolor paper and I have taped all the sides, and I'm going to use watercolors for this effect. So before that I just want to use this Pro circle, so for drawing circles. So I have this, so let me make some circles and we'll give these circles in very light manner. So I just want to do that and draw some few circles randomly here and there. This is just for our reference, okay? So we have given these, let us go over here. Draw the circles randomly in whatever shapes you want. You can just give some nice shapes and also draw. This way. So these bokeh effects, they'll have some light shades and dark shades and so on. So we'll just give randomly the colors also, very pale colors and some bright colors, so on. I'm giving even some small half circles also. See that the circles are not overlapping, so that they'll get perfect colors and the color will not merge for when we are blending or doing something. Okay, I think this is enough. Now let us do, if you want more we'll just do later. Okay, so for this I'm going to use Dome's brush pens, which is of 26 shades. Okay, now let us start doing this. So let us give random colors. First I'm taking, it's green, or just draw very it's emerald green, lighter shade. So just draw very lightly and immediately take your brush, which is number 5, and take little water. See that there is not too much water, nor the water is too less. And start blending this. We are going to blend only from inside. We are not going to blend it outside. Okay, and I want to do some small circles also. The brush should hold water, but that shouldn't drip out of the brush. So we need so much water. Background, we need very light shades. So we'll just take some color from here itself and do in the background. This will have a very pale look. Now let us go for some other color. We'll take some dark blue. See that this inside edge is blended on for the very pale look or faded look we'll be giving. We'll just pick some color from there and just give this. We don't want that edge to look so giving this way. Let us have some water. Before drying itself, we'll just apply some color and do this. So just giving once again in the water. Now let me give me some dark violet. In this brush colors also, some colors they spread very well and some colors they are not doing good. This one without any edges we have got very good blending. So keep on practicing, and in between you enjoy the music. This is going to be very pale. So these can be used for anything, as a greeting card, your message on this. Be very careful when you're coloring it, because that may spread very fast. So do it very slowly, don't be in a hurry. We are not taking any extra color, we are just picking up the color from here and making this a light one. Now let me give some green, dark green, because until now I didn't give any dark green, so let me give a dark green. Now just fill with greens, all greens, the rest of the colors, whatever you have, whatever is left over, in this way. if at all it is wet, these colors they tend to spread, so we don't want that to be done. This is too pale, so let me give some color. So we'll wait for this to dry and give some edges in with different colors. So we'll wait for this to dry. Okay, this is dried almost. So now what we'll do is, we'll not use pencil, we'll just pick random colors and we'll try to do them directly. Okay, so here let me do with the blue. And lift at one side and then remove this, otherwise that may mess up. And let me do one more blue over here. This is very dark, so I don't want to blend anything, I just want to keep it in that way. And one more on this corner. Close the lids immediately so that the brushes won't dry. And we need to wait for that to dry. And I think blue is almost done. Let us try over here, giving a small circle, and this will be very dark. We'll give some very dark here and there, and this will be very dark over here. Light violet. Before that, clean this one so that you'll not have any, you'll not mess up things. See if at all we can paste over here. Yeah. I'm not landing this here because it is still wet. I'm just doing this way. And let us do some orange over here. And we'll go for a smaller circle. Be careful to do one over here. Okay, this is done. We'll use some other color. Let me go for some radium pink, and this I want to do a little bit dark, a bigger one. Yes, and one small one over here. Just keep on filling most of the place. Cleaning of the stencil is very, very important. Just check which one is fitting and then draw. This, I think this will do. check if at all you can give any green without moving. No, we can't. That's all. I think this is looking beautiful. So we can use this for any backdrop, any artwork, like any greeting card. This can be used for any greeting card. And yes, I hope you all liked it. The very easy method to give a bokeh effect. So I hope you all liked it, and if at all you liked it, please give a like and do share the video. And if at all you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope you all liked it, and this looks like this. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.